Hi, I'm Annie.
And I'm Kathy.
And we're the Thrive Life Sisters. Happy New Year! Some virgin beverages.
I'm doing a kid version of a little beverage.
And I am too, though. It's a kid version of an adult beverage.
That works.
Does that make any sense? Oh.
I'm going to start by making some milk. So I just have some water, and you have about 3 tablespoons of powder to a cup of milk. That'll be about good.
You're going to whisk that up?
Yep.
Alrighty. I'm going to add some grenadine at the very bottom of the cup. And then,
Wow, it's going to be a sugary drink.
it's grenadine. And actually, I need to get a can opener.
You don't. You just need, oh, you might.
I need a can opener. Actually.
Oh, right here.
Oh, that's awesome.
Oh, I keep mixing.
And this is sparkling apple juice. Okay. Almost got it.
You can tell you don't do that very often.
All right. Okay.
Cute.
There we have it. And the freeze-dried berries are amazing because they don't dilute the drink. And you can do this with any fruit. So there you have it. Okay, so let's just give it a try. Do you want to mix them?
And with the cookies, we have our mix. It's super easy. A little bit of butter, chocolate chips, and water, and they're good to go.
That's a little tart with lots of sweet.
That's so good.
Don't choke. Just don't choke.
I don't want them thinking it was gross.
Try
I'm sorry.
mine. I'll try yours. Wow.
Okay, that wasn't very good because I took a drink and then I must spit it out. Okay, I do like the milk. It's just warm. Let's try it again.
You can do like put flavoring in the milk, and then you've got
Grenadine. Okay, well,
okay, so then
I did really like that, but I should have used cold water. I used a little bit of tap water that was a bit warm, and so I'm not used to that.
she's used to ice cold milk with warm cookies, not warm milk with warm cookies. Mine would have been much better chilled as well.
Yeah.
So
chill it.
Chill is,
I just wanted to show you how to make it, and so this is right from scratch. So we're just being real.
I know. Thank you for joining us. And if you have any suggestions for some really yummy beverages, just comment below. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so.
Right. And remember,
You can do this too.